Welcome back to the DP World Dressing Room. I'm Fakhri Alam. You're watching 10 Sports, our continued coverage of the ICC Champions Trophy for the one last time this season. Congratulations to Indian fans all around the world. With me in the dressing room, I've got four fantastic gentlemen: Nikhil Chopra, Waqar Younis, Wasim Akram, and Ajay Jadeja. एक चीज जो हम बात मेरे ख्याल है करनी बड़ी जरूरी है वो ये है कि this Champions Trophy was hosted primarily by Pakistan. And it has been, some fantastic images that we've seen, some great work that has happened in Pakistan. So big congratulations to the Pakistan Cricket Board, the authorities in Pakistan, the law enforcement agencies and everybody involved in making it a successful ICC Champions Trophy. 29 साल के बाद पाकिस्तान में मुनक्किद की गई. I think that also deserves a special mention here.
Absolutely. It's hats off to everyone involved from the minute they started. Stadium बने, 9 महीने पूरा stadium तोड़ के बनाया, कराची का ठीक किया, पिंडी का ठीक किया. Most importantly, जो डरते थे वहाँ आने से security wise, I think everybody did a great job. So congratulations.
Yeah.
We are super proud of you, everyone involved. Keep up the great work.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely, Waqar, because you're part of the PCB. So congratulations to you and the entire PCB crew. You guys did a really good job.
I think you hit the nail on the head right. I think you said it all, and the amount of work we've gone into bringing the Champions Trophy and organizing all of that. And I think every individual who has been behind this deserves a big congratulations and superb job. I mean, Mohsen Naqvi, whatever you say, but he has made sure that everything goes smoothly. And it all went smoothly.
A friend of mine, Ajay Shu, the head of production of ICC, we worked together for about 10 years for ESPN Star in Singapore. So, वो बड़ा excited था, पहली दफा पाकिस्तान जा रहा था. मैंने कहा कुछ हो ना हो, तू weight put on करके आएगा. And he came back, he met me just before the finals. He said I put on 6 kgs into a week and a half.
There you go. Pakistani hospitality का कोई मुकाबला नहीं.
Yeah, shout out to the fans as well. I mean, because every player that I've talked to who've been there, they've enjoyed being there.
Yeah.
Because, it's not just organization की तो बात हो ही गई. I think people of Pakistan have also come out in numbers.
Exactly.
Their team probably didn't do as well as they would have liked, but they've still kept that thing. And it's been a happy moment. It's been a great tournament.
And I forgot to tell you, I think...
I was just wishing if India had won this in Lahore, it would have been even better.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
I mean, for everyone.
It would have.
I mean, because as Indian, I would want India to win. But it would have been a victory
It would have been an even more
everyone.
special victory.
So it would have been victory beyond just the sport.
Yeah,
and I remember जब शुरू हुआ Champions Trophy, तो Matthew Hayden never been to Pakistan.
Yeah.
So he went to Pakistan. After a week, he got उसने मुझे phone पे message किया WhatsApp पे कि Waz, I'm so sorry I haven't been to this country before. Yeah. I'm in love with this country, the people, the food, everything was an eye-opener for him. It is a normal country.
Yeah. Everybody who goes out there.
I mean, some record breaking जब इंग्लैंड के साथ 350 रन बन गए, nobody thought कि यार 350 रन भी चेस हो सकते हैं. Credit to the way groundsman has gone ahead and worked hard and the kind of surfaces that were produced there as well.
That Wakawali surface as an Afghani fan also, I won't forget that because Afghanistan team आई है और आपने ऐसी bounce दिखाई है वहाँ.
Out of syllabus cricket आ गई.
So there's a lot of good things that have
and I won't forget when Pakistan played 242 Pakistan out हो गया against New Zealand on a big turn. Suddenly
that is a bit of a problem. We still have you have to still sort
that out.
That you have to be realistic.
Yeah, you have to be absolutely. But thank you, gentlemen. Thank you for वो जितने हमारे fans, especially Pakistan में जितने हमारे देखने वाले हैं. I think they needed to understand and realize that it was with an open heart जब आप लोगों ने जिस तरीके से अपनी मेजबानी की है तमाम टीमों की और तमाम उन दोस्तों की जो पाकिस्तान आए. इवन इंडिया से बहुत सारे जर्नलिस्ट, बहुत सारे और फॉर्मर क्रिकेटर्स, ऑफिशियल्स भी जो हैं बीसीसीआई के वो गए. Rajiv Shukla was there and all and everything. So thank you very much. And once again, a special congratulations to all the organizers, the Pakistan Cricket Board, law enforcement agencies, everybody making sure it went really well and safe. And to the people of Pakistan, वही वाह जी वाह, खास तौर पे लॉरियो छा गए हो तुम लोग. क्या कमाल किया आप लोगों ने. जो आपने इंग्लैंड और ऑस्ट्रेलिया का मैच में जो क्राउड था, अफगानिस्तान इंग्लैंड वाले मैच में जो क्राउड था, it was just fantastic. And for the Pindi guys, a little unfortunate because बारिश ने वहाँ पे पीछा नहीं छोड़ा. But overall, even the Pindi crowd, I'm sure, would have been outstanding had they gotten an opportunity.
Yeah, they are one of the best crowds in the world.
टाइम मिला खातिरदारी का. बारिश हुई तब खाने पीने को मजे करके आए लड़के.
तब पहली दफा मुझे पता चला कि पकोड़े को भाजी भी कहा जाता है और हमने
भजिया
Bhujia. Bhujia. And we had a lot of bhujia. Yeah, I mean, thanks for sharing that, Jaddu Baji. Really appreciate it. And with that, it's time for the DP World Beyond Boundaries initiative. Today, a total 500 runs scored. So 50 more kids go out to the grassroots level cricketers. Me and Wasim were in Karachi when we started off. जो हमने जो container है DP World का unveil किया था. So 50 more kids have gone out, and with that, it's time for the DP World Dispatches of the Day. All right, with that, it's time for the DP World Smart Performance of the Day. And somebody else is talking over my voice, but it is DP World Smart Performance of the Day. Let's take a look. And with that, with Rohit like that, let's take a look at the DP World Smart Stat of the Day. And this is the smart stat. Jaddu Paji, what do we say to this? It's Rohit Sharma, the strike rate since 2020.
That stat tells you, what has been his approach, and that has filtered down to the rest of the team. To play aggressive, to take the opposition head on, because it's an option that you have. You want to start slowly, solidly, or do you want to be aggressive and get the best out of that, the restriction that you have in the field? And I think he's turned around the mindset of Indian cricket, and there he is, 76s. The closest that comes to him is what? 14, 20, 29. I mean, David Warner तो अब चला गया, लेकिन फिर भी, बहुत आगे है. I think
comparison ही नहीं है यार.
और बाकी जो है वो फिर गिल ने भी साथ में साथ दिया है. And Gill is not known for somebody who hits sixes. So खरबूजे के साथ खरबूजा रंग बदलता है, वही वाली बात रही है. रोहित शर्मा ने सबका रंग बदल दिया है, इस भारतीय टीम का रंग बदल दिया है, लेकिन नीला अभी भी है. नीला क्या होता है? Any color blue is what? इनफाइनाइट जो होता है ना,
आसमान इन्फिनिटी सब वो है,
जो चीज भी आपको इनफाइनाइट दिखे वो नीली नजर आती है. और उसी तरह आज स्टेडियम भी भरा हुआ नजर आया.
बिल्कुल.
और अब तो ट्रॉफियां भी भरती चली जा रही है. हमारे को बड़ी
पता है, ये अगर इस तरह चलता रहा तो आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ, आप ये काम करें, अपनी 3-4 टीमें बनाएं, अपना ही टूर्नामेंट कराया करें, आपस ही खेलिया करो, आपस ही रिजल्ट ले लिया करो. चुके अभी बाकी तो जो है ना, वो तो ऐसे ही जो है, यूं लग रहा है कि हम तो तकल्लुफ में आते हैं. हमें तो आप जहमत देते हैं कि यार आओ जरा खेल लो.
तो ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਟੂਰਨਾਮੈਂਟ ਸੀ? ਅਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਖੇਡੇ ਜਿਸੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਖੇਡਣਾ ਸੀ.
ਯਾਰ ਜਿੱਤ ਤੇ ਗਏ ਹੁਣ, ਕਮ ਸੇ ਕਮ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਘੱਟ ਕਰੋ.
And that's what is called kharbuza ko dekh ke rang ho jata hai. That is how it is done. With that, it's time for the fastest delivery of the day, brought to you by Food Panda. Well, that was the fastest delivery of the day, 143.5, that one. And with that, it's time for another break here on the DP World Dressing Room. When we come back, we're getting close to your hashtag Ask the Room. Stay with us.